Okay, in this video, we're going to work on question 26 from assignment 4. So let's looking at question, the first question in this question for A. So let's see what you were asked. Basically, you have to find the rate of return from this investment. So let's draw the timeline to make it kind of clear what's going on here. So if you invest in this bond, okay, by buying the bond in year 2012, and what you're gonna pay today, which is year 2012 for one bond, that's cost you $250. Okay, and if you invest in this bond for 25 years, which is N, what you will get at the end of year 35 will be, that's basically year 2047, right? So that will be equal to $500 that you can cash out from redeem this bond, and you were asked what will be the rate of return from this investment. So this is very simple. You just basically put 35 year in. That's what you need to compute. PV is what you pay at today, which is $250. No PMT because again, nothing that you see that happen at the recurring amount here. Okay, so we just simply put it as 0. And the last one, FV, will be what you can get from bond redemption, which is 500. So you compute for IY. That will be your answer. For B, let's see. Let me put the timelines here. So what happened? Suppose you could redeem bond in year 2022, and this bond will pay interest for 1.1% until that date. How much the bond would be worth at that time? So, okay. So basically, the year that you will redeem the bond will be year 2022, and year that you invest this bond is 2012 again. Okay, and you already get the information about IY, which is the investment rate of return, which is this. Okay, and the money that you're gonna pay for this bond is again the same thing. It costs you $250, and you were asked to find what will you get from bond redemption at this year. Okay, or from selling this bond at that 2022 year 2022, and N will be the difference between these 2 years, which is basically 10 years, right? So we just simply put N here, IY 1.1, PV 250, PMT 0, and FV is what you need to compute. One thing though, I suggest you to store this. Once you click compute, it show your answer. You punch on store and put the number in. I put number 1 here just because we need to use this information in question part C. Okay, so store the answer that you got from future value in part B in order to use in part C. Okay, then looking at the part C. What's going on in part C is, let's see, instead of cashing bond for its then current value, you decide to hold the bond until it's mature, which is year 2047. What will be the annual rate of return will you earn over 25 years? So it's already give you 25 years. So what happened here? What will be the year that you start to invest? So that will be year 2047 minus 25, which is basically year 2022. That's why I told you to keep the information from this year, because we're going to put the information in this. So that's basically, you have to recall the future value that you got from this calculation and put as the present value in part C. Okay, and what you will cash out from this bond at year 2047, that is equal to 500. All right. Anything else we should know here? So what we need to find is IY, right? Okay, so we put our information in here, and is 25. IY is what you need to compute. PV is what you just used from part B. So recall part B, which is I save as 1, PMQ 0, and FV is 500. So you do this and you will be able to compute for IY. So I hope this video should help what you're struggling with in question 27, in question 26, sorry.